Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. As you can see, we got a challenge. The wind knocked the pot over. So, yeah, we got a mess. Got some tomatoes done fell off my garden, challenge tomatoes, but we still gonna weigh them in, even though they ain't ready. They're green, but we'll weigh them in and let them ripen in the house. We gotta figure out a way to get this back up right. So rough here is nothing but rock. So it's hard to get anything going in the ground. Just enough to support anyway. Well, we got it fixed. Yeah, tomatoes got heavy. The size of some of these tomatoes. That's why they call them pink Belgian giants. These two I had to cut off. I said, well, this one I had to cut off because the branch broke. This one too. So let's go ahead and weigh those in. That's another 1.6 pound and a half. That brings a total of 3 pounds so far. Oh yeah. I got y'all, let y'all see the rest of the garden. Look at the marigolds. They're beautiful. They're still beautiful. Tomato plants are still loaded. So many tomatoes. We just got out here and cleaned them up. Pulled off some hornworms. Yeah. Look at this tomato I picked. Not that big, but look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful little tomato. Garlic coming up in here nicely. Yeah, the whole pot fell over. Too much weight on it. Still a lot of basil. These tomatoes doing okay. Peppers is growing like crazy. Put some netting on them because I had a giant tomato on that one right there. I already pulled it off. You see that pepper back there. More tomatoes. Basil flowering. Needs to be cut back. Some potatoes come up right there. More basil, cabbage. Yeah. Green beans is coming in nicely. Long one. So those green beans are finally starting to come in nicely. It's gonna start raining on my head. Setting a lot of green beans. Watermelons. Got some carrots. Sweet potatoes is looking pretty good. Another melon there. Sugarcane jujubes looking awesome. Kumquat looking great, setting a lot of kumquats. Look at all over them tomatoes. Get off my tomatoes. I don't know what they were. Make sure they're all off. I don't want to grab them. Probably just a leaf-footed bug, but I still don't want to grab them. I ain't got no soapy water with me. So, yeah, cherry tomatoes are still looking pretty good. These okras they're putting off. The other ones I cut down. We got a lot of okra. A lot of ants on this okra. That for another day. One right here. I always start putting on some more melons. One pumpkin look like it's fit to form there. Some collards is coming up. Ton of grains coming up over there. Cukes is about gone. For most of them. Got a few black diamond watermelons, a couple Congos coming in. Sweet potatoes, about time to pull those. They already flowered. And they're just growing like crazy. We said some large tomatoes. This one right here, and I pulled off that one, was huge. But it had a huge hole in it too, from a hornworm. When you start seeing biting like you see how all the leaves has gone off of that one. That's one time tell that it's a hornworm somewhere. Probably on that plant. If you go down a little bit, you'll find it. Yeah, these things are growing like trees. But they're producing so much, so just don't want to take them out yet. But yeah, that's how things are going down here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, it's Odom's Homestead down here, Growing Zone 7A. Growing's my passion. Y'all stay blessed.